In world news tonight, Australia is facing its worst wildfire in decades, and there have been fires burning in every state across the country.
At least 17 people have been killed, others are missing, and nearly 1,300 homes have been destroyed. And as Camila Bernal tells us, the situation is still very active.
Despite the nonstop work of firefighters, Australia's deadly fire season is far from over.
You know, people's lives are on the edge again, you know, and they're all worried.
Business owner Paul O'Brien listening to warnings from authorities. He's preparing for the worst, but hoping for the best.
Now we're ready.
But officials say things will likely get worse over the weekend, and many feel the government isn't doing enough.
I'm only shaking your hand if you give more funding to our RFS.
Australia's Prime Minister Scott Morrison was heckled by residents who were angry with the government's response to the fires and his vacation to Hawaii during the crisis, which he now says he regrets.
What about the people who have nowhere to live?
The Prime Minister left without responding. Meanwhile, thousands are being forced to evacuate.
Get out of these areas.
Over 1,000 homes across the country have already been lost, and more are in danger.
Our fire's pretty close around Lillipilly, and the fire people have said is get out.
Firefighters continue to work around the clock with more support on the way. The U.S., Canada, and New Zealand have sent additional firefighters to help. But it's still unclear when the flames will be under control. I'm Camila Bernal reporting.
Ecologists say nearly 500 million animals have been killed in the fires. A third of the area's koala population has died in the past 3 months. And forecasters say high winds and warmer temperatures are expected to intensify the flames in the coming days.